As you can see, the bike looks a little different. The fairings are on. Went with a nice Nardo gray, Destroyer gray. It's a light fucking gray. A nice light gray all over, black tank. A nice little black tank. We got a new, it came with this new shit too. Threw back on the same mirrors, cause I like these mirrors. You know, they do me justice. But yeah, man, she's dope. You know what I'm saying? I'll throw in a little B-roll at some point of the whole shit. But yeah, this shit's fire. I'm not gonna lie. See, now the big debate is, do we or do we not put the decals on? Because I have some decals that I think would make this shit look fucking beautiful, but I also want to keep it fucking as clean as it looks right now. So that is our other dilemma, you know. So we will see. But yeah, man. My opinion, don't gotta take it. Most fire 400 on the face of the fucking earth. What makes your 400 so much different than everybody else's? I look better, my gray look better, my bitch is better, I make more money. Nah, I just think this shit is super dope. And I haven't seen a 400 in this color. I've seen a lot of Gixxers in this color. And that's probably about it. Not too many cowies. Not gonna lie. But yeah, man, I like it. This shit's dope. It's super dope. Can't even like. Hey, y'all like my pink case? Don't judge me. Why do I have a pink case? I have a pink case because pink is my second favorite color. My first favorite color is midnight blue. My second favorite color is pink. Pink, half of the story is, I know some people who had breast cancer, you know, pink is like the breast cancer color, so it's really paying homage to them. And two, pink's just a dope ass color. It pops. So eat that. So yeah, that's why my phone case is pink. Primarily will always be pink. I got titanium bolts too, so you might be able to see them down there. They might just look normal. But they're titanium. They're supposed to be black. I'm not gonna throw any shade on the fairing company because I like the fairings that they sent, and they actually came in pretty fast. They're supposed to come in with bolts as well. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, it came in with everything except the fucking bolts. I started by putting the OEM ones, and for the most part, like everything by the frame, I kept the OEM bolts. But everything on the outside, I set the titaniums on, because the titaniums just look a lot nicer. And I don't know if you can hear it. And we got a new muffler. We got a Austin Racing slip-on, and I think it sounds 10 times better than the piece of shit Amazon shit I had on here. I'm not gonna lie to you. This shit sounds fucking amazing. Fucking amazing. I love it. This shit just sounds, listen to it. It sounds so good. Another new key detail. Can you tell? The camera is no longer down there and mounted up. It is now smacked on my face, catching everything that I look at. So yeah, that's changed. A lot of chicks and trucks and homeless people. I ain't giving you shit. But yeah, got a chin mount. So that shit's up there. I'm not using the Panda. I'm actually using my Cardo as a mic. And then I have headphones that I like to listen to. Ay. What was I talking about? I fucking forgot what I was talking about. Chin mount, exhaust, on my face now. Some nonsense. I don't know.